Welcome everyone to a quick and dirty setup on how to get the English auto translation working for the demo of Another Hero's Adventure on a Windows machine. There is going to be a written version of this guide in the description, and this was all made possible thanks to the contribution of the Discord community, including Ryuzuha, for some troubleshooting tips. First up, you are going to need to have the game installed. Then in Steam, you will right-click your game, manage, browse local files, and you will get to your game files. It should look like this. We will then head to a web browser and get a BepInEx build. The link for this website will be in the description. I have personally tried both the 753 and 754 releases, both work perfectly fine. You can just pick the newer version or whichever is the newest. Now importantly, you will want the BepInEx Unity IL2 CPP for Windows 64 versions, and you can just download it right here. Once you have downloaded that zip file, you will want to go to the XUnity Auto Translator, link also in the description, and download the XUnity Auto Translator BepInEx IL2 CPP 551.zip file. I now have downloaded both of them, so we will first grab the BepInEx build, not the Auto Translator, drag it over into our folder and extract here. Once that is done, you can start up your game. Once the game has started, you close it again. Our game has now almost started, so we can now close it again. Next step is open your two folders again, drag over the Unity Auto Translator, and also extract here. Once that is done, you can start up the game again. Once you are in the game, it should slowly but surely start translating, but first we will quit again and make sure it is using the correct translation software and translating into the correct language. So we will go into the BepInEx folder, config, AutoTranslatorConfig, and this should open up a notepad file. Now your file, your config should look like this. What we want to tweak is on one hand the service and then the language. For a service, I would definitely recommend adding a fallback. So in this case, it automatically uses version 2 of Google Translate, so we can just add version 1. Alternatively, you can use DeepL Translate as well. And now, most importantly, you will want to change the FromLanguage option. This determines which language it uses as an input for your translation. In our case, the game is in Chinese, so we want to select Chinese, ZH Zhongguo. If you want the game to be translated into your own preferred language, you can change it up here. You could change it to German or Russian. Now start up the game again. When you start the game, it should start automatically translating everything. So we can just go into these settings. You can see it starts translating the settings. Maybe you are interested in the sound options, game sound, background, and so on. Alternatively, you can also head to one of these larger files. It will obviously take a bit longer, but it will do so. There you go. Hello fellow players, we just pushed out a new version, and that is it. You are now set, you can now start playing the game. I hope you enjoy.